Alright guys, so the next chart that we're breaking down is Ethereum, or ticker symbol ETH, you guys. So I just broke down Dogecoin. If you want to check that out, go ahead and check that out. So let's go ahead and dive in. So we're up almost 10 or 11% for the morning. Excuse me. You guys can clearly see we had this huge drop off and sell off yesterday, all the way down to almost $1,700. So remember how I told you guys we would have that smooth retracement up that we had. We would have a smooth retracement back down. And yes, it was a little bit more aggressive and volatile right here, but overall we had this beautiful smooth retracement back down, you guys. This is how charts work, okay? These things can be predicted by reading prior price action history, okay? Even though, yes, we were a bit overextended, but when we hit this double top is when I made that other video explaining how we needed to be cautious and wait for a pullback, and ultimately this is what happened. This is where we're at. So the video from yesterday, I explained that we would be pulling back down to the $2,500 level. Yes, we broke below that, you guys. I understand. This does happen sometimes, okay? I cannot be 100% accurate every time. If I was, I would be a billionaire right now. But however, we did break below that, but we pushed right back up onto our major support line. So I was halfway right, okay? So yes, we are resting on this support line, and then we have this green candlestick today that we can see that is also resting on our major support line. And what we want to do next is kind of break down to the 1 hour chart and see the overall direction, because yes, over here it does show that we are below the trend line, but on the 1 hour chart you can see that we are actually above this trend line and trying to create this upward trend. So as of right now, what I'm seeing is we have this double bottom retest, and we created this higher low and is now trying to create this upward trend. So as of right now, I don't see this as a bad buy, because we are trying to create this upward trend. We have a double bottom retest and with succession right on top of our major support line. So don't really see this as an issue with getting in. However, I still want to tell you guys to be precautious, okay? Have your stop loss or a mental stop loss maybe under the $2,400 level or the $2,300 level, just in case we do break back below this. And if we do, we'll be able to get tagged out and wait for a better entry, okay? However, as of right now, with the area that we're in, I'm sorry, you guys, this sickness just does not go away. I probably should get it checked out, but I'm good. And so your first target should be probably all the way back up to the $2,800 level, and then your second target should be back all the way at the previous highest level at the $3,400 or $500 level, okay? So that's a huge difference, so that could be a great return. Let's just be very precautious, you guys. Remember what I said, just to keep a mental stop loss, okay? Money management is key. Any professional will tell you that if you do not use a stop loss, that you are pure gambling, and we don't do the diamond hands ape here, okay, you guys? We do things professionally, okay? So with that in mind, you guys, like I said, I don't see any issues as of right now. I think the overall downturn that we were in is now starting to correct and turn into this upward trend, okay? So remember, you guys, just be cautious and use stop loss. However, I don't see any issues with getting in right now. Other than that, I just like to make these videos very short and sweet, you guys. And if I did that, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys every single morning. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.